Hey everybody, Dan here. Gonna make a quick video on how to use the array tool. Now, I thought something that would work really well to demonstrate how to use this tool is putting in lights in a ceiling. So I've opened up my level 2 ceiling plan of this building here, and I'm gonna just start by putting some lights in it. So go over here to the architecture tab and then click component, and it pulled up a troffer light already, and it looks like it's the one I want, 2x2 and 120 volts. So I'm just gonna place it in here. I want a row somewhere around in here. Um, First though, you want to get out of the tool, type in AL to align it, and then you can put it wherever it needs to go, because sometimes it's really hard to snap to the ceiling tiles to where they need to be. Anyways, now that you have one where you want the pattern to start, you type AR. That's your quick shortcut to using the array tool. And I lied, you want to select it first and then type AR. Then it knows what you want to array. Okay, now you want to click where you want to start it from. I'm thinking of doing it right here in this corner. And I'm thinking if I leave like 3 ceiling tiles in between it, then that would be a good spacing. So from here, I'm just going to kind of guess at how many I want and say, oh, maybe 10. See how far that goes. That was a little too far. So that's, oh, got to start over. AR, click here, 3 in between, and let's do 9. Okay, and very quickly, I just placed 9 of those. And if you want, you can do the same thing. You can AR. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right there. And you come down the other way. And let's just do 6 of those. Oh, and that was just the right amount. Probably one too many still, but anyways, you can kind of see how that works. And if you want, you can even do all of them at the same time. You just have to select them all. And then you can array it. Do the same thing. And then you've got a whole bunch of lights upstairs. That would be really cool. Something else with this tool, maybe I'll go ahead and delete them all. Or I'll just start over and go from here, is when I was using the array tool, I was spacing it from the distance between this one and the second one. I can also do it the distance between here and where I want the last one to be, and then it figures out the spacing, which isn't as practical in this application. So if I added 3, it would add one right in the middle there, right there. And then you can go in and edit if you want 6. But so if you're trying to get it to line up with the ceiling, you have to choose just the right number, which I don't know what it is. 3 worked. Anyways, there's a quick intro on how to use the array tool.